Leaders and dear friends in Rotary, welcome to a Prashikshan.
Om Ganganapataye Namo Namah Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namah.
This is grand seminar. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many NGOs in this world, but Rotary is one of the pioneers in this. Because the charity navigator, the organization who rate the NGOs spending and doing the volunteer work, has rated 4-star since last 12 years.
So this is also a very good thing that Nepal and 3292 Nepal and 3262 Odisha have some bonding.
All my fellow Rotarians, very good morning to you all.
That the giver is always in a higher position than the taker.
जब आप अच्छा काम करते हैं तो लोग आपसे इन्फ्लुएंस पॉजिटिवली होते हैं.
Rotary Foundation is one of the most respectable and one of the largest contributors.
You have to agree to the club qualification MOU.
Once again I welcome you to the holy city of Varanasi.
जिंदगी में सर्वप्रथम हमको सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन की जरूरत होती है.
As he said, it is financial discipline and self-discipline. How we will do it?
has come to number 1.
I want all of you to give yourselves a big round of applause.
The common objective of joining Rotary for all of us is to serve society, and to serve society, obviously we need a club which has to be vibrant.
This means that you need the right people with the right skills, right experience and lot of enthusiasm.
Rotarians can form their own club. They are not going to be dependent upon Rotarians. No Rotary club is going to sponsor them.
यंग मेंबर्स हमारे बीच आए, क्यों? क्योंकि वही यंग मेंबर्स आगे बढ़कर हमारे क्लब को मजबूती प्रदान करेंगे.
The Rotary Club is 10,727, India 2571, and our district 3262, 73 clubs.
Younger people who can take Rotary forward to the new century, to the next century.
Inauguration of the District Assembly.
Guest Professor Shri Anand Tyagiji, I request Vinod sir to please kindly come.
Good evening, Namaskar, blessings of Lord Jagannath and Lord Vishwanath. Best wishes from my father Jaydev and mother Vasant Kumar Suri.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is the first family for 22-23, the Subudhis.
They will be joyful for you, and you will be learning almost all these aspects as a fun.
हमें माने खुशी नु है आओ खुशी हो रहा थी म्यूजिक डांस
And the keynote speaker for this session is PDG Sunil Nagpal of District 3070.
प्रोग्राम्स जो हमारे दुनिया में चल रहे हैं, कोई कन्वेंशन चल रही है,
Namaskara. That is from South, from Bangalore. We say Namaskara. So Namaskara. जरूर ईमेल कैसे भेजना है, बात कैसे करनी है, या WhatsApp. सर WhatsApp कैसे भेजना है वो तो मैं बताऊंगा ही नहीं. आज तो हम लोग सब PhD है WhatsApp में.
So I'm going to make sure that I'm becoming better every day so I can behave better.
Lives of great men all remind us we should make our lives sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time.
This was included in Rotary in 2019. Shival.
Thank you so very much, sir, for being part of this training assembly. Prashikshan and sparing your valuable time with us.
We will now have a valedictory session with assembly awards and thanksgiving.
So friends, it's a great pleasure to be in front of you today on a very important training session of District 3262. District Training Assembly. I never have seen more than 600 delegates as present here today. It's been a second, of course, you please clap for yourself.
We all are from the Nagari of Sri Jagannath or land of Sri Jagannath, and getting you here is a special moment for all of us. Thank you, sir.
I give vote of thanks. I want to recognize the person behind everything who works 24/7. In the last 2 days meeting, we done successful only one person, that none other than one is District Trainer Harsh Gupta.